poi è tosta. Hey guys, good morning. How are you? How do you do? So, have you done the write-up of strings? Not yet. Good morning. Are you able to see my screen? Can you please confirm the chat? Aja. Yeah. Let's do the list now. List methods. List. We are in the list methods, right? Now put siding that list methods. List methods. Very, very important method is called append. Yeah, next method is called append. Ma. So if you want to, what is meant by append? General meaning of append. Tell me. What is meaning of append? Add something to the end of the written document. What is they are saying that? Add something to end of the written document. Suppose let's see here. We'll take same thing now here. Add something to the end of the written document. Suppose a list is called a list 1 equal to 100 comma 200 is there. Now your output should be like this 100 comma 200 comma 300. 100 comma 200 comma 300. What we are doing? We are appending 300 at the last after 200. So what you will do? First of all, append is a method. Append is a method. So whenever any method list 1 dot then append bracket. Append bracket shift tab. What do we need to do? Shift to tab. Why shift to tab? Because we want to understand whether it is any arguments it is taking or no arguments. That you need to understand first. So if you see here, it is taking some object. It is taking some object. You need to provide some value here. Either you can provide the numerical value or float value or string value or again list value or complex value. Any data type you need to provide here. So here I am providing what I am providing 300 I am providing. Now my output will become now list 1 equal to 100 comma 200 comma 300. So this is called appending. This is called what ma? Appending. Now if you take the empty list, list 1 equal to empty list also. Now list 1 dot append of 100 and list 1 dot append of 200 and list 1 dot append of 300. Now empty list now become how many now? You are adding 100, you are adding 200, you are adding 300. Then answer will be list 1 equal to 100, 200, 300. You can take empty list or you can do anything that. So that is called append method. Do it this append method. Add something to the end of the written document. That is called appending. Okay. Can we add two values at a time? 100, 200. Try it now. List 1 dot. So list 1 dot append of 100, 200. Can we add this? 100, 200. 100, 200. Can we add this? Please confirm the chat. Suresh, Utkarsh, Sabita, Abhishek, Naveen. Can you confirm the chat? No, we can't add. Okay. We can't add. We'll get the error. We can't add. What is taking it is list takes one argument. How many arguments you are providing? Two arguments. That's why I told you, na, shift to tab karo. What I'm saying every time, apply the shift to tab. Why I'm teaching you this? Apply shift to tab, apply shift to tab, apply shift to tab. You should learn this. Whenever any brackets means it is a function. Correct? It is a function means it will save some arguments or no arguments or default arguments. That we learn. So here how many arguments is taking? Only one argument. But how many arguments you provided? Two. What is the error you are getting? Takes only one argument. What is given? Two given. That's why you will get the error. That is a very, very common sense. You should say to me that is, sir, it is error because of this. If you are not say this, I will angry. Definitely I will angry. Now I have that right now. I'm assuming that. I have that or not? Shall I angry on you or not? If you're not able to say this, that's it. Suppose I'm providing like this. It will work or fail? It will works because 100, 200 is a list. List means it is only one. List means only one. So it will works. Now your new list one equal to 100, 200, 300. Already from above you are getting this. And again you are appending 100, 200. And again list one dot append of apple. Then what happened? List one what happened now? 100, 200, 300 apple. Good, right? Append is good, everyone. Let's do now. Suppose I have a input list is like this. Input list is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 is there. Now 10 is there. I want to create a new list. So only 5 you will take, okay? I want to create a new list. Create a new list. That is equal to square of the list. 1, 4, 9, 16, 25. So this is the input list. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this is the output list. 1, 4, 9, 16, 25. You know the Python code, right? Just write the normal Python code. Write normal Python code. Write normal Python code. So list equal to list one equal to This is the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. For I in range of, for I in range, not range is not required, right? For I in list 1 is enough. For I in list 1, print I into I. Then what answer is coming? 1, 4, 9, 16, 25. Correct? Everyone done this? Easy? Any hard in this? Now, I don't want to print the values. I don't want print the values. I want save the output in a list. Here I don't want print the values. What I want to do here? Here I want to save the values. Here I want to save the values. I don't want to print the values. Now I want to save the list. Now look at the screen. Look at the screen. So now whenever you want to save a list, you take an empty list, ma. Okay. Suppose output equal to take an empty list. Okay. Look at the screen. And instead of print, you just remove the print. Write output output dot append. That's it. Then the values will go in the list. Instead of print, what we are taking? Again, I'm repeating. Instead of taking what we are taking first, we are taking the empty list. Output equal to empty list. That's the first one. And second one, I don't want to print. What I want to do? Output dot append. Because dot append is a bracket, right? Append of apple, append of list values, append of 100, 200, 300. Now what happened? First value is how much? 1. 1 into 1, how much? 1. You are appending in which list? Empty list. Next, I equal to what? 2. 2 into 2, 4. 3 into 3, 9. Now your result will be like this. Output equal to 1, 4, 9, 16, 25. So this is very, very important. We will use mostly this method in the real-time projects. Remember that. Append method is very, very important. You need to save the results. You need to save the result. Note down this. Very, very frequently we'll use. You need to take a new list. Take a new list. So this is the way you need to do. Suppose list 2 equal to Hyderabad, Bangalore, suppose Delhi. Output list equal to, output should be like this. Hyderabad, Bengaluru, Delhi. Capitalize the first letter and save the results in a list. Okay? Capitalize the first letter and save the results in a list. Do it. Capitalize the first letter and save in your list. First you print the output, then you save the list. If you are confused, still confused, first print the output. For I in list 1 is common. No change in that. Next, what is I you need to do? What is the different H and H here? First letter is what happened? Capital. What is the method you need to use? There is in the string. It is a string, right? It is a string. In the strings, we have a method called capitalize method is there. Capitalize, case fold, upper, lower is one category. Index, find is another category. Replace and count is another category. Starts with, ends with, L strip, R strip, strip, and split is all will end. So that's why I ask you to make a document. You will forget this methods. You keep on practice the questions, you'll never forget that. Do it. Capitalize method is there. That's it, Neeraj. Good. Very good. Next. I need 10 answers. Yes. How many are done? What happened, Ray? Kya hua? What is in this? Only 2 members done in the class. अरे बाप रे. What happened, ma? Where is the answers in the chat? Only 2 members are given. I'm not given any tough question. This is very, very easy question. I don't know why you are doing this much time. Only 2 members are given the answer. That's it, Suresh. What is the problem you are facing? What is the problem you are facing? Why you are not able to simple question? How many are done? Raise your hands. Come, everyone, come. Show me your laptop. I'm not happy. Come, everyone, come. Bring your laptops and show me. Everyone should come and show me why you are not able to do this. Whether you do or not do, you show me. What do you want to do? Capitalized method will be there. Where will be there? Capitalized method. What is this inside? It is what? It is string. You need to return string now first. You need to iterate the value now first. For I in list, then I is what now? I is a string. वो string में होता capitalize. Not list में नहीं होता. String में होता. I dot capitalize. आजा. Everyone should come and show me. Otherwise, I will come. Otherwise, I will come. Right, Utkarsh? Show me. Why you are not getting methods? I will not allow you in the class also. If you are not able to do this. What is the problem in this to do? I am not understanding still. First, how can you write the package and methods? Tell me. How do you call the methods? Right? How do you call the method? Suppose you take one package. In the package, there's a method is there. Okay, how can you get the random integer number? Write it. Write it. Import random. Random dot random. And now randint is what is randint? What is capitalize? Capitalize is coming first or randint is coming first? Which come should first? No. Capitalized should come first or rand come first? This is correct. This is wrong, no? This is why this is correct. Method is coming after what? What you written here? Then that is wrong, right? Go. I dot capitalize bracket. Always remember that. Methods, when will method will come? After something dot something, right? What is capitalized here? What is capitalized? Capitalized is not defined. Capitalized in which color? Black color. This thing as variable. What comes in your mind to make capitalize? Tell me. Capitalized is a method. Right, that capitalized is a method. Tell me where it is there. In which data type capitalized exists? String? String, right? So how can you write the method? No, not import string. It is there in the string only. str1 is equal to Hyderabad. Then this inside str, you have a capitalized is there now. How can you write that capitalized now? Do it. st1 dot tab karo now. Automatically it will come. Spelling T, remove the T. Bracket. Run it. Coming or not? Now, what you should write now? What is Hyderabad here? st1. Now, what is Hyderabad here? Hyderabad is not list. Here in this code, Hyderabad is what? Hyderabad is string I know. And which variable you are taking? I. So what you are writing what? So what you need to write? Why list 2? List 2 is not a string, na? Method, capitalized method is existed in for whom? String or list. So what you need to take? What is string again? How can you know Hyderabad is there? In this code, how can you know which variable is assigned to Hyderabad? Then I write, na? Then write I. What is the method? What you written? Again spelling. What is I here? It is list 1. It is list 2. Tab karo. That's why to avoid the spelling mistakes. Capitalize. Run it. Now again, na? What your mistake? Tell me. First of all, your mistake is you are searching the capitalized method is wrong. You are directly providing the capitalize. Capitalize by directly. How can you provide it? It is a method. If you provide only capitalize, it is taking as a variable. Understood? And second thing is you need to understand capitalize is not attached to list. Capital is attached to string. That is the second thing. And how do you write the capitalize method? Like this. I dot capitalize, right? First is the package dot method bracket. This is I told 1000 times, but still people are not able to do that. Because we already run again. Run 2 times. Simple. That's why. See, 4 is there here, 7 is there here. 9 is there here. That means 5, 6 times is run already. Come on, everyone should come and show me. Don't copy from your friend's notebook. Don't copy from your friend's notebook. Only 3 members are given the answer in the online. What happened? Naveen, Abdul, Abhishek, Archan Nayak, Nagarani, Gaurav, Hamza, Rahul, Madhuri. Instead of upper and all this, can you apply the capital S directly? Then one line is over, na? That is wrong. You're taking two lines and you're using method. Either don't use the method, either use the capital S, no? Yeah. This is very bad, ma. You are just appending I. That means you are calling I, you are doing I. This I means what here is Hyderabad, correct? Your I is who? Bangalore. Your I is who? Delhi. You need to modify. Correct. You need to modify the Hyderabad. What you want to modify? You need to increase the capitalize. So what is the method for this? You need to understand. Dot. Dot. Write it. Dot. Write it. Dot. See. Enter tab. Tab. Bracket. Run it. That's it. Okay. What happened? How many are done? Raise your hands. Now you copied. Huh? You copied from your friend's notebook. What happened in the online, ma? What happened? You people are not doing at all. Only 3 members are given the answer. And by guys, what is the problem in this here? I'm not understanding. For I in list to print I karne to, what will come here? Hyderabad, Bangalore, Delhi is coming. What you need to do? You need to capital the letter. Capitalize method is attached to whom? Strings are list. Strings. Who is string here? I are list. Then I dot capitalize. What is the big thing in this? Even 7th class kid also can do this. And what is the big thing in this? I'm not understanding still. Really, I'm not understanding. What is the big thing in this? I told many times, anything you take the string here, package name, dot method name, method, bracket dot. Did I didn't tell you? The starting class onwards, already 1 month over, still people are writing directly capitalize and they are searching for this. Directly you are writing like this. What is capitalize here? Which color? Then it is what become now? Variable. It is become variable. It is become what? Variable. What is the error is coming? Because capitalize is variable. Some people are writing like this. And some people are writing only like this. Capitalize. And put some common sense, no? You want to modify what? I want to modify Hyderabad. So which method is applicable for Hyderabad? Which method is applicable for Hyderabad? Capital method. Because Hyderabad is a string. Hyderabad is a string. And I am so much worrying you are not able to write this. That is my problem. I dot capitalize. So this is what? I is a Hyderabad. Capitalize is attached. And bracket, it is running like this. Arey baap re. You need to really give the explanation to me. Tell me, what is the problem going on? What is the problem going on in this? You should provide the really an explanation. Do you think data science is a joke? Or do you think you will survive with this kind of with data science? You are not able to write one line. That is, and you will think you will complete the data science. And you will get 30 lakhs package like that. Huh? This is very, very bad, ma. This is very, very bad. Very, very bad. I'm not at all happy. See, this is a very small thing. This is, I don't know what is the problem in this. You're just, the boom is there, data science boom is there, AI boom is there. I want to pursue, I want to get the job. Then this will not work out, ma. In India, so much competition is there in India. Lots of people, best people are there. They're not getting the good training, that's all. I'm really very unhappy with this. You are not practicing at all. How many have practiced the strings yesterday? Entire thing. Raise your hands. But still you are not able to do capitalize. You're still not able to do. What is there in this? Shit. Then output equal to empty square box. I can't say this online. No, I send the internship projects. Happy Monk AI. They are given 2 days time to do that. There 4 tasks are there. Do you think you will complete without the writing the capitalized method? You will complete all these codes in 2 days, AI projects. Are you thinking that? Then how can you get the job then? How can you get the job? If somebody will come give the job like that, like our parents and grandparents got the job like easily, like we also got the job easily. Do you think like that? How can I get the interest to teach all these things? How can I get the interest? Tell me that also at least. How can I get a trainer motivation? What is my motivation? There's a very excellent batch is there. That they are not able to do capitalized method also. So I want to teach more to them some data science algorithm, deep learning algorithm, AI algorithm, generative AI, ChatGPT, GitHub, and Flask routing, Streamlit applications, and everything. Blah 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 blah. That is my motivation. Do you think that? Do you think that is my motivation? अरे यार. You are very bad, ma. You are very bad. That is, you are not able to do this means you are just unfit. Already this week is Python will become over now. List is over. Next dictionary will over. Next file handling, then Python will level 2 is completed. And still you are not able to practice, not able to do means I don't know. Really, I don't know what I want to do. That is, how can you get the job? That is really I am not happy with this. So you need to save the output. So output equal to square bracket here. And that is equal to output dot, instead of print, what you write, ma? Append unit, right? So then you'll get a output here. That's it. Then Hyderabad, Bangalore, and Delhi. That you will get. So next question. Suppose a list 3 equal to, suppose I'm just putting like this here. Hyderabad, Bangalore. Suppose there's a hash symbol I'm writing. So now your output should be like this. Retrieve the element, those who are having hash. Those are having hash. Hyderabad and Bangalore. So this is your output. Hyderabad and Bangalore. Do it. First is the minimum components, iterate the list. You are directly writing, that is the problem. How I am explaining you? Am I written directly this output? First, what I am writing? First, what I am writing? I am printing first. What I am doing? I am printing I. Then I am getting the idea. What should I do? Then I am getting the idea. What should I do? This I am printing Hyderabad, Bangalore, and Delhi. Then I know that I become a Hyderabad, I become a Bangalore, I become a Delhi. Your problem is you are trying to write the complete output in a single line directly. First, iterate the loop. First, get the normal values. Then think about that what you want to do. Correct, Shoaib. Your mindset is the problem. Not like, not the subject is not tough and trainer is not bad. Only the mindset of yours is problem, that is not able to practice the questions. Not able to practice. If this mindset is there, even if I teach Excel also, you'll not able to get Excel also. Even if I teach PowerPoint presentation also, you'll not get the PowerPoint presentation. Your mindset is problem. That is the only, that is you should understand. That's why outside people will say that data science is tough, data science is tough. Data science is not a tough. People are, mentality is wrong. People are not doing practice. That's why data science is tough. That's why data science now, everyone, now see, this many persons are there, 100 members are there. You are not doing capitalized method. How the TCS Infosys, the people will, how many interviews will happen to freshers? How many will select now? Tell me. Then there is a quotation will go outside in the public. No jobs for freshers. No jobs for freshers. Why no jobs for freshers? Because you are not practicing. You are not talented. You are not getting the job. Simple. Because they interviewed 1,000 members. They selected only 10 members. All members are like you only. No practice, nothing. Only boom is there. That's why I want to pursue the data science. Where is your worth, ma? Where you are practicing? In Telugu, there is a సామెత ఉంటుంది ఒకటి. అందని ద్రాక్ష పుల్లన ఆట. Okay, everyone can try for oranges. Whenever it not comes, then you will make a quotation that there are no jobs. Where is your worth? Where is your talent? How much you practicing? How much you are discussing? Note discussion in the group also till I am messaging you. What happened the discussion? Then you started the discussion. Huh? For I in list 3. First print I. Then we are getting those who are as symbol. What you write? If condition. If as in I. Then print I first. Then print I. Then instead of print, what you need to take? You take an empty list, output equal to square bracket. Instead of print, remove the print, output dot append. Then output will be like this. Hyderabad and Bangalore. Simple things. Now, let's learn the one more important concept. Let's take this. Put side in list comprehension. List comprehension. List comprehension. List comprehension. Yeah. So list comprehension means you need to write a code in a single line. Code in a single line. So this is very important. This will speed up the process. It will speed the process. Now see here, how many lines you have taken? So this is the input only. This is the input. This is the question input. This is not a line. And this is a one line. And this is the second line. This is the third line, correct? Your code is how many lines are there? 3 lines are there. Now in the 3 lines, what you have done? Step one is you are initialized the list, correct? Initialize the list. What is the list you initialize? Output equal to empty. Output equal to empty square box. That is you initialize. And step 2, what you have done? Step 2, you iterate the loop. Iterate the loop. And step 3, what you have done? You save the output. You save the output. You save the output. So this step 1 and step 3 lines are not required when you write in the single liner. Okay. Step 1 is not required. Step 3 also not required. Now let's see here how we are writing. Look at the screen. Output equal to square box you need to write first. You write the square box. Next, what is the output here? Tell me what is the output in this entire code? What is the output? Say loudly. I into I. So you write I into I here. You need to write I into I. So how you are getting I? How you are getting I? For I in list 1. Copy that above and paste here. That's it. Answer is over. Answer is over. Now output equal to. So I'm writing output 1. Output 1. Output 1 is equal to 1, 4, 9, 16. Again I'm repeating. Listen carefully. So first understood, you have taken empty list, you are appending the value. Empty list are appending the value. So here output 1 equal to, we'll take a list and first we will write the output. First we'll write the what output I into I, and next where you are taking that value for I in list 1. For I in list 1. So this is called list comprehension. This is called list comprehension. Output equal to 1, 4, 9, 16, 25. So the format is simple. The format is square brackets. Here you need to write the output. And here you need to write the loop, for loop. Simple. Write the for loop. Output and for loop. Now try this question. Try this capitalized one. Everyone in a single line. Try this one. What is your output and what is your for loop? Simple, na? What is your output and what is your for loop? What is your output and what is your for loop? What is your output? What is your output? Your output is enter. I capitalize is enter is your output. Enter your output. And for I in list 2. That's all. Simple easy. Output 1 equal to square bracket. What is your output here value? I dot capitalize. I dot capitalize bracket and for I in list 2. For I in list 2. Now this is the output 1. This is the output 1. Easy? Now create the list of 100 numbers or suppose 20 numbers. 20 numbers from 1 to 20. Now do this. Create a list of 20 numbers. You should not write 1, 2, 3. Automatically it should come. Automatically it should come. Yeah. Create the list of 20 numbers. First print the 20 numbers. If you're not able to write the list comprehension, first print the normal way. Step by step. Print the normal way, append the list, and then apply the list comprehension. 3 methods. We are progressing step by step. So first, how can you print the first 20 numbers? For I in range of 21 or 1, 21 and print I. Correct? Then 1, 2, 3 is coming. Yes or no? Now here, this I want to save in a list. How can you save in a list? You take an empty list, numbers equal to square bracket for I in range of 1, 21. Instead of print, what you will write? Numbers dot append of I. Now numbers are, instead of your printing, now numbers came into list. Now if you print the numbers, So how I am teaching you, like that you need to learn. If you are confused like this, at least you can write this. 100% people can write this. At least 70% people can write like this. Like the slowly you can improvise your logic. How sir teach? Sir first printed. Next sir taken the, instead of print, remove the numbers dot append. Next sir thought to one liner. How the one liner is there? Numbers equal to square bracket. What is output here? I is the output. What is the for loop here? This is the for loop. Any difficulties in this? No, right? So this, if you practice 1,000 times, what will happen? If you're not able to do, practice 1,000 times, practice 10,000 times, but don't leave the practice. If you leave the practice, you'll lose the confidence. Okay. I can't bluff you, even though if you're not practice, you'll get the job. I can't say that. Job will come those who practice regularly. That we know from childhood onwards, right? If you study regularly, then only you'll get the good marks. So that's why I can't bluff you. So practice is required, ma. So numbers 1 and numbers 1. Everyone done this? So this is a method 1, you can say. Method 1. And this is a method 2. Method 2. And this is a method 3. Method 3. Method 1, method 2, method 3. Yeah. One of my relative in 2017 pass out, okay. 2017 pass out. And he is a civil engineer. And they doesn't have any, their parents also very labors, that is. So their parents also just labor, daily wages only they will work. Then he is very good at in the college days, very good at in the school days. But he didn't get the job. You know how the things are there in the India, right? Even though you're good at, he's a Telugu medium guy. And then I recommend to go to Praxis Business School. Okay. Because at the time I am collaborated with Praxis Business School. And the fees is 6 lakhs. Okay. I given 2 lakhs to him. And he taken the 4 lakhs loan. 4 lakhs loan. Then Corona came, COVID came. Then COVID came. He came to, from Bangalore to, he came to his home. And again, I also working from home. He came to my house. He stayed in my house only. That is for 3 months. Every day I'm teaching him, but he is not able to get that answers. Then finally I scold a lot. You just go off. I will pay this 4 lakhs. Just go and just work like your mother and father. Then he realized he started studying, practicing every day. Now his starting package is only 11 lakhs. And he is the highest getting packages in that college. What he had done before, he is like a young guy like you only. He doesn't study anything. He just went to Bangalore. He enjoyed. He didn't study anything. I understood that. He didn't study that 6 months. Whenever COVID came and again he came that home, I asked the question, then he didn't say any answers. Then I given left and right. Okay, I given left and right. Then he got the 11 lakhs. So what he missed, what he got. That is. He is a 2017 pass out. Fresher. 4 years gap. And civil engineer. That is. So you should get the job until unless you don't have practice. And I given to left and right to my wife also. Before getting to TCS. I will not spare in the study. So whenever kids are coming, no, my wife will say that you don't know about Babai. Okay. If you want to know about the Babai, you should study with Babai. I will give definitely left and right if you're not study properly. Because I know the value of study. Think about the parents. You are spending 25,000, 18,000 here, spending hostel fees 6,000 here, your personal thing 4,000, total every month 10,000 they are spending. Maybe you are rich, maybe you are poor, but you are using your parents' money only. And you are just roaming and enjoying. Some mothers are there, baby mothers are there, and again they want to do what you people are doing. You are not doing capitalized method. How can I encourage you to do? You are doing very good, very great. That is today I really disappointed with your behavior. That is today I really disappointed. Now list comprehension with if condition. That is above one is without if condition, right? See, there are no if conditions. Now let's take the if condition now. Let's take the if condition. This is the normal code. This is the normal code. And this is the thing. List 3 is equal to Hyderabad and Bangalore and Delhi. For I in list 3, if hash in I, output at append of I, right? Now tell me here, what is the, how can you write the normal thing? Output 1 equal to, what is your output here? I here. Then copy the first line as it is, paste here, and then copy the second line as it is, paste here. Then your answer is over. Simple. Okay. Before that, if is not there, right? Now you add the if condition here. You add the if condition here. Output is same. Output position is output position only. For loop position is for loop position only. But after for loop, what you need to add extra? The if condition. That is also line by line is there. First line is for loop and second line is what? If condition. Second line is what? If condition. Add the if condition as it is. Add the if condition as it is. Now what you will write? This is the format. Here is the output. Here is the output. And here is the for loop. Here is the for loop. And here is the if condition. So this is the format. This is the format. Now just write the format now. Output 1 equal to, your output is equal to I, and for loop is for loop only. That is equal to for I in list 3. And next if condition, if hash in I. If hash in I. Now then output 1 equal to Hyderabad and Bangalore. Easy? Shall we do one more question? So list 4 equal to suppose A, B, C, D, A, B, C, A, C, and A. Output should be those who are greater than 3 elements greater than 3, and output will be like this: AC, comma A. Do it with all the 3 methods. Greater than 3, huh? Greater than 3, one element is coming now. Okay, output is less than 3. Less than 3. Less than 3. Practice it, ma. Practice, go to the labs, spend the labs every day, make the friends, practice with them, group discussion, everything you do. When your age is 25 years, you hardly work more 20 years or 25 years in software engineer. You can't work like a government engineer till 60 years. Okay. No one will work. And extra, you will get all health problems. Okay. Diabetes, heart problems, all the problems you will get extra in these 25 years. Okay. And you'll married, you'll have kids, you have EMIs, loans. How can you manage all these things? If you study, you are good at your project, you are good at your company, then only you can manage. You don't have any other option because you choose this career. Okay. You choose this career. You don't have the option. Give me 1 minute. I just make attendance. That's it. Why name error? Output. Very good. Now last, if and else conditions. If and else condition. Suppose there's a list of 2 values are there, or some values 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is there. Now I want to find that which is even number and which is odd number. For I in list 1, now if I percentile 2 equal to 0, then print it is a even, and else it is a odd. Correct? Print it is a odd. Print it is a odd. Or you want to write like this, even like this, dot format of I you can write even colon I, and odd colon like this, dot format of I. Odd equal to 1, even equal to 2, odd equal to 3, even equal to 4, odd equal to 5, even equal to 6. Now this I want to save in a list. This output I want to save in a list. What you need to do? Take empty list. Instead of print, what you need to do? List dot append. Now do that. Copy the same code. Copy the same code. Take an output. Take an output equal to And here output dot append, and here output dot append, and output is this. Add 1, even 2, odd 3, even 4, odd 5. Sorry, sir. Yeah, now we need to write in here. Everyone done this? Simple ma, only one thing. This is a one wrapper and this is another wrapper. Nothing that. Everything now you can save in a list. Every output you can save in a list with this method. Every output you can save in a list in this method. Now next we will do in the list comprehension. We'll do in the list comprehension. I will write the format and you will do that. Okay. First is the if output. First is the if output. Next is the if condition. Next is the if condition. And third one is the else. Fourth one is the else output. Else output. And fifth one is the for loop. Do this. If output, if condition, else output, for loop. And exact replica this, you will get the answer and show me that. In this entire code, first one is if output. What is your if output? What is your if output? Tell me. In this, what is if output? Even format I. That is the output, right? And then condition I percentile 2 equal to 0. If I percentile 2 equal to 0. Next else. Next else condition, else output. What is else output? Odd, format I, next for loop. That's it. Do it. How many are done? Same format is coming output. You need to just remember this. Don't by heart. It is simple, ma. Whenever your if and else is there, first you write the if output, if condition, else output for loop. Square bracket, comma, if output, comma, else and else output. Output means whatever you write, that is the output, okay? Whatever write, that is output. For I in list 1. For I in list 1. Everyone done? Very good. So this is called append and list comprehension methods, ma. So let's do some more methods. Next one is called count. Next one is what, ma? Count. Yeah, count you already know. Next one is method is called count method. Very quickly we'll finish that. So here list 1 is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, I will create a new one. That is equal to 1, comma 2, comma 3, A, comma B, comma B, comma B, comma C. Now list 1 dot count. You should not forget this, ma. Method should be list 1 dot, that method will come. This is I told you many times, right? You should not forget this. This is not a keyword, right? Keyword should coming as like this. If it's a keyword is there, max bracket will come. That is a keyword. That is a keyword. And keyword, what is the color keyword? Green color. But something is coming max one of bracket means it is which color is coming? Black means a variable. Black means what? Variable. So here it is list 1 dot count bracket. List 1 dot count bracket. Apply shift tab. What it is asking? It is asking some value and return a number of occurrences of value. Suppose I'm providing B. How many times B is coming? How many B is coming? 3 times. How many times coming? 3 times. 3 times is the answer. The same thing we implemented in the strings. The same thing we implemented in the strings. You remember, right? Same thing we implemented. Same question. Pawan Raman oksari. If you want to do normally, for I in list 1, if I equal to B, then count equal to count plus 1. This we done in the past, correct? This we done in the past. Count equal to 0. Count equal to 0. And print count. This is the developer mode, correct? 3 is coming or not? Here same thing, whether it is a string, where is a list, it is a iterator or not. We can iterate that by using for loop. When you iterate, you will get each letter you will get. In the list, each element you will get. And each element it is comparing. Both are same. Either string method or list method, both are same. No difference at all. That is called count. That is called count. Yeah. So next. So dir of now extend. Now what is that, ma'am? Extend. Extend method. So list 1 is equal to A comma B comma C and list 2 equal to 1 comma 2 comma 3. List 2 equal to 1 comma 2 comma 3. One comma 2 comma 3. Now do that. List 1 dot extend bracket shift tab. Shift tab. Okay. Shift tab. So what it is saying here, iterable. What it is saying is called iterable. Iterable means you need to provide anything can be iterable. Who or can be iterable, string can be iterable, list can be iterable. What is iterable means? Can you print each letter by using for loop? What is the normal English meaning of iterable? Loop. By using a for loop, what you can print, that data type is a iterable data type. Is integer is a iterable? 10. Can you print the 10 like kind of by using for loop? No. Only strings can be iterable, list can be iterable, tuple can be iterable, dictionary iterable. So remember that iterable means what? You can print each and every element by using for loop. So inside you need to provide some iterable. So what we are providing here? List 2. Now what is the answer is coming? It is extending the 2 list. What is the difference between list 1 plus list 2? Tell me, what is the difference between extend and list 1 plus list 2? Tell me, Sabita, what is the difference between those two? తీసుకోదామా తీసుకెళ్ళి ఇచ్చేస్తావా నీకు ఫోటో పంపించిన కదా ముందు టైర్లో ఇక్కడ కనిపిస్తుంది నీకు సర్వీసింగ్ కూడా ఉంటాయి ఏపీ మొత్తం డబ్బులు ఒకటేసారి కట్టేద్దాం Tell me, what is the difference between these two? అక్కడ అవుట్పుట్ అనేది సేవ్ అవ్వదు నో ఐడియా వై నోట్ ఐడియా మా యూ నీడ్ టు సెర్చ్ అండ్ యూ నీడ్ టు టెల్ మీ సబిత don't say that no idea, you need to explore and you need to tell me what is the meaning of both. Is already extended. Don't say ma that no idea, you need to explain me what is the difference between both. What happen if you print list 1 here? It is ABC 1 2 3 like this, like this. No, right? Only ABC. So if you want to save the result, you need to save one more list and you need to write the result in the one more list, correct? But here what happened? The list 1 is automatically updating. List 1 is automatically updating. So like that you need to explore yourself. Here the list 1 will be updated with list 2 values. Here you can save the results, no? That is the same again. It is nothing but list 1 again you can do that. That is same like this only, na? A equal to 100, again A equal to 200. What is the latest value? That's it. Same like that only. Now list 1 will be what happen? ABC 1, 2, 3. You can put anything. You can put your name also. What happened now? Saurav equal to ABC 1, 2, 3. So whatever the latest value, that only value it will take. But the problem is that here is automatically updating. You no need to assign a new variable here. No need to assign. But here you need to assign that. Append and extend. Now tell me, what is the difference between that? Now, tell me what is the difference between append and extend now? List 1 dot append of list 2. How output will become now? A same same or different 1, 2, 3 like this will come. Why error will come? Here this is the entire one value, na? One value will append at the last like this. So now the value will be now list 1 is equal like this. A, B, C, comma 1, 2, 3. Because you are appending here. When you append 100 or 200, what will come? A, B, C, comma 100. You are appending apple, what will come? Apple will come. You are appending list, what will come? List only. But here what is coming? It is extending. It is extending. So now the difference between append and extend and concatenation. Tell me. Append versus extend versus concat. Append versus extend versus concat. Tell me. Append will add the element at last. That element can be any type, correct? That element can be any type. So you are taking list 1 equal to 1, 2, 3, and you are taking list 2 equal to A, B, then you are taking this list 1 dot append of list 2. The output will be become 1, 2, 3, again A, B. Agree with me? No doubts? So next is the extend. Extend will be update. We can say that we can update. Will update the list by using by adding new elements. And the results also in the saved in the same list. And the result also save in a same list. That is called extend. And this is A and this is B. And same thing, concat. Concat will add two lists. But the result will not updated in a same list. Will not update in a same list. That is. Hmm. Next. So I am seeing this iterator, right? Iterator. So let's come to the iterator. 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 So first of all, iterator means is a loop. Iterator means whenever you listen the iterator word, will give the idea about the loop something, loop. So which means which elements ఈవినింగ్ తీసుకుందాం ఈవినింగ్ తీసుకుందాం ఓకే మంచిగా చేయమని ముందు టైర్ వెనక టైర్ మొత్తం మంచిగా చేయమని వాటర్ కొట్టుకోమని ఆయిల్ చేంజ్ చేయమని మొత్తం చెప్పి ఓకే. So the elements we can print. This is a navy ma. I want to make you understand. That's why I'm using these words. The elements we can print using for loop. That can be iterated. That can be iterated. Suppose assume that string equal to Python. String equal to Python. And we can print each letter using for loop. Correct? The same way, list 1 equal to 1 comma 2 comma 3. And this also we can print each element using for loop. So whenever you see anything is the iterator means, what is the meaning? You can print the elements by using for loop. You can print the element by using for loop. And what is the second thing comes in your mind? Which data types should come in your mind? Strings, list, tuple, and dictionary. Integer will not iterate, float will not iterate, complex will not iterate. Correct? Set is we can do that set also. Set is again elements is combination, right? Unique elements you'll get. Again, that is you can save and you can iterate. Multiple elements means you can iterate. Simple. That is the iterator. Now suppose if you see here, there's a keyword called reversed keyword is there. What keyword is there, ma? Reversed keyword is there. Reversed. I am writing Python. Reversed Python. What you will be expect the answer now here? Python will be reversed, right? First N will come, next O will come, H will come, T will come, Y will come, P will come. So, but when you run, you will not get the output like this. Okay. You will not get the output. Then this girl show me that. This girl exposed this reversed option and she showed me, sir, I am not getting the output. I also never tried. I went to shift tab. What I have done? I went to shift tab. That is the only weapon I have. That only I teaching you, right? What is there here? Written a reverse iterator is there. Then I got the understood. Values are ready, but you are not able to see because you need to iterate that. Then only you will see. How can you iterate? By using for loop. So next what I have done is for this is now I save in a one variable val. Now next for I in val, then I'm printing val. Then output is coming. then output is coming. Because this is output is saved, but it's not printing. It is saving, but it is not printing. Then again what I do, I done shift to tab, then I see iterator. Whenever iterator means I already teach you to what iterator means, loop. Like I learned like that, then I got the immediate idea. Now onwards, you should also get these ideas. Whenever you see iterator word, you should see that you need to do by using for loop. What will happen? Strings, list, whatever it is. You can print something by using for loop, means that is the iterator. That is a iterator. Now you see here, list1 equal to 1, 2, 3 is there, suppose. Now I'm done list1 dot extend is there. Now shift to tab I apply. What is there here? Iterable is there. So can I add here one more list like this? 1, 2, 3, 4. And what I am doing here? List1. Then 1, 2, 3, 4 is coming. Because I know it is taking what it's taking. Something is iterable is taking. I'm removing this. I'm writing Python. Because Python also can be iterable. That is. Now Python is coming. Python is coming. So whatever it is, where it is a Python, not single word is not coming. See, single word is not coming because iterable means printing each letter, na? P, Y, T, H. That's why each letter is coming. If you apply the same thing is equal to append Python, what will happen? Only Python will come. Only Python will come. That is the important difference here. Iterable. Iterable means printing each letter. So output also should be each letter. That is this. So printing Python. That is. Please note down this. This is very, very important. Iterable concept. You can ask me any guy, those who are like 5-year data science people also, what is iterable means is not able to say. Trust me, you can call me at any guy. You can ask me. Ask him. So these things, if I want you to deliver means this is actually not a concept in this list, right? But I'm delivering you because I want to teach you more. But only the thing is, you should not forget capitalized method, ma. That is true. Okay. You should not forget that is. Your forget capitalized method means just imagine you can sit in my chair and just imagine that. Okay. You should not forget that. Note down this. That is called iterable. Next, what are the next left? What we have done till now? Append done, clear done, copy done, count done, extend, next index. Next index. Okay, pop, remove, del. Let's do pop, remove together. Pop and remove. Pop and remove. Tell me what is pop? What is remove? There is one more concept called del also. The three together now. Pop, remove, del. Take one list one. So list one is called 1, 2, 3 Python. Python. Explain me what is the pop one, what you are understanding. List one dot pop bracket shift to tab. Understood now. Tell me. What is the meaning of that? Remove the last element. Srikanth is correct. Shoaib is correct. Everyone agree with Srikanth and Shoaib? That is only saying remove and return the item. Okay, remove and return the item. Suppose if I run like this, what is the last element? Python is the last element. So now Python is written because that is the last element. Now that is the list one. 1, 2, 3 Python. Suppose that is the pop. Now let's come to here one more time. List is this. List dot pop. Here index equal default parameter is there. What is there my inside bracket? Inside bracket default parameter is there, default argument is there. That's why we spent Python for 3 days, for the functions for 3 days, functions concept. Now see how many functions we are using. Okay, if you don't know that concept, you will not able to understand these concepts, right? You don't know how to shift to tab, you don't know what is the argument, default argument, what output is coming. These all are interlinked knowledge. So pop default argument is there. What is the default argument? That is called index. You need to provide some number. You need to provide some number. Index equal to -1 means always what is the -1 means? Last value. That we already know. -1 means last value. That's why if you not provide any value, if you not provide any value, what happen now? It will remove last value. Will remove last value. Suppose if I provide any index, it will remove that element having that index. Now let's see 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Suppose T, I am providing T here, 5. Fifth index is for which one? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, T. Now what is the output now? T. Now T is removed. What is removed, ma? T is removed. It is also returning. It is also returning which element we are removing. Which element it is removing. Which element it is removing. So nothing mentioned in the bracket means last value. Something mentioned means get the index of that. Simple. That is a pop. Next, remove method. Tell me about remove now. List one dot remove bracket shift tab. It is asking some value, ma. It is asking some value, but that is also removes only first occurrence value, and it is raise the error if the value is not present. But what happen if it is a pop is not value is present? Let's see. That is also error. Also we will see. Let's see the error. List one dot pop 100 I am giving. What I am giving? 100. Is 100 indexes are there in that? No. What will come now? Index error is coming. Pop index out of range. It is giving the error also. Now removing. Let's take the list one. 100, 100, 200, 100, 300. Now I want to remove the 100 value. I want to remove the 100 value. So which 100 it will remove? Because duplicates are allowed. Then you have a question arise yourself. Which 100 will gone? What it is saying? First occurrence only will gone. First occurrence will gone. So now list one. And it is not written anything. It is not written anything. It will not return. It will not return any value. Why append? Append is the last value you are adding, here first value you are removing. Yeah, adding and removing. Now you can say that append opposite. Adding and removing. We are good, right? Very good. Now next del. Is list one as a del? DE. When enter tab, EL is not coming. Del is not a method. Del is not a method. Del is a keyword. You just operate DEL. Which color is coming? Green color. Put del of list one if you done. Complete list one will be deleted, gone. Complete list one will be deleted. Run it. Now again type list one. You will get error. Name list one is not defined. Because again above list one is there. But what we have done here? Deleted. So that's why it is gone. That's why it is gone. Suppose you take in the list one here. Again, one more time. Now you want to delete only 100. Second 100 you want to delete. List one, square bracket, 0, 1, 2 provide here. Only one element will be deleted. One element will be deleted. One element will be deleted. So list one now, 100, 200, 300. First of all, delete is a keyword ma. Delete is not a method. First of all, delete is a keyword. They'll ask question for you. Pop and remove. What you will say? Pop will take the index, sir. Remove will take direct value. That is the main difference. Okay. If you not provide anything in pop, last value it will remove. In remove, what happen? Only first occurrence only will remove. That is the second one. But when you talk about del, what is the biggest difference? Del is not a method. Del is a keyword. Del is a keyword. Del is can apply for anyone. Del you can apply for string. Del you can apply for list. Del you can apply for dictionary also because it is keyword. Print you can apply for anyone. Is a keyword. Length you can apply for anyone. Is a keyword. Like maximum and minimum you can apply for anyone. But the keywords can applicable to any data type. But methods can't be applied for any data type. Methods will be only have some separate error. That is dir of list methods will come. Dir of string methods will come. Like that, you need to understand the difference. Very good, ma. Very good. Now, still what are left? That is again that only. Del always you're taking the index, no? You need to count manually. Otherwise, you need to use the index method. But remove what happen? Directly you can provide the value. So that is. Now what is left, ma? Index and insert is left. Index and insert is left. Index, insert, reverse and sort 4 are left. Now the 4 is homework for you. Index, insert and reverse and sort. Sort is a keyword method and sorted will be there. Okay. That is a function. Reverse is there and again reversed is there. That is a method. Explore this. Explore this and leave the class. Now only. Explore that and share your screenshot and show me. Those who are done, come here and show me. And tomorrow Surendra presentation is there. Surendra presentation what? For loop, right? Surendra presentation is there tomorrow. And then after that, we'll do one more concept. Practice is required now. Practice is so much is required for you. Because so many people are not worrying about that. You're still thinking in the college days. We are coming to coaching center because we did not get the job in college. Remember that first thing. And second thing is you want to update your career. That is the second thing. That's it. That's the only index, Gaurav. How about A comma B comma C comma B comma C is there? How can I get the second index of B? Index and find in the string method. We done much practice on that. We done much questions. Plus one, plus one, plus one we added. And the same thing index in the list method also again came. You need to compare both. Which is same, which is not same. Take 1 hour yourself. Compare the both methods. What is common in string methods? What is common in list methods? A comma, B comma, C comma, B is there. I want second index. Understand, Gaurav? B. Not only one method, ma. Try in and out all trials. That index you need to expose yourself in two methods. Okay, give multiple values and give single value. Single value index you can get. How can you get the multiple values? So a comma a comma a comma a is there. I want to get the index of fourth one. That we seen in the strings concept, right? Same concept. Insert means where append. What is the difference between append and what is the difference between insert? What is the difference between append and insert? Uh, that multiple values are there. And reverse. In the reverse, how can you get the ascending and how can you get the descending? Ascending and descending. Here also sorted. What is the difference between reverse and sort then? What is the difference between reverse and sort? That's it. Without no ascending, without no descending. But sort also we have a true and false. Sorted. Sorted as the true and false. Sorted also have true and false. Yes. Get all the differences and share your screenshot of your Python codes to my WhatsApp number. Get all the differences, ma, in and out. What your insight? Get all the differences in and out. Again, I'm saying in and out, not only one particular question, whatever. If I'm not providing, what is the error will come? What is the error type? What is the answer type? What kind of answer? How it is different from other method? I need all the information. Get all the differences, all the information, and share your screenshot. Share your screenshot. Discuss with your friends. Discuss with your friends. And we'll get more ideas. We'll get more ideas. Reverse by just now we can't done, right? Iterator. Iterator we have done, right? There are some freelancing opportunities are coming on Python. Okay. If you are good at in Python, I can send that freelancing opportunities. You can earn like 20 to 25,000 for only 2 hours, 3 hours work per day. Just support. There are some job like some people are there, no dummy people. They got support and Python. That's called some freelancing opportunities. And they will sit in US, not in India. That people also. Okay. They have more money and they went to US and they got support now. Your work experience they will not ask you. You can say 2-3 years, no? Then they will conduct some demo, explain the Python. Like yesterday you done string document, right? Explain that same way. That's it. You will select it. Then they will take Python. Evening 9 o'clock to 11 o'clock, 2 hours. Morning 2 hours, 50,000 rupees per month. Done. Okay. And remaining time is chill. That is. But you should be good in Python, no? But you forget in capitalized method. How can I provide you? That is. How can I provide that freelancing opportunities? I will show you one opportunity here. So many opportunities are there, ma. So many are coming. That is. See, can you take up a data vigilant topics online 8 to 10 p.m.? After teaching Power BI, you can go to that Sharjah Silam, 2 hours per day, and she'll give 2,000 per day. That is. I occupied already with Naresh IT, right? That's why I've not taken. But they are ready to pay that 4,000 to me per hour. So like that, so many opportunities are there. So many freelancing opportunities. Now see, this is experience with Python. All projects are fully remote, full-time USD payment without discounts. Fully remote. You can sit beside me and you can do that project and you can go. How can I offer this to you? Tell me. If you forget capitalized method. Huh? Tell me. Only Python, that is. Only Python project. Full USD payment without discount. So many opportunities are there. But I'm not finding the right students. Because they believe me consultancies. If I send a dummy guy, no, again they will not believe you. Omkars are not sending good guys. They will say that. So many opportunities are there, ma. Just freelancing. You'll get till you get job, you do the good money, you can survive and you can explore yourself. Do certification, paid certification courses with that money from deeplearning.ai, some Coursera, paid certifications you can do, some Stanford University, like that. Hostel money will gone, enjoyment will gone, girlfriend's gift will gone, movies will gone, everything will gone. That is, money is no problem with money. If you take the home tuition where in a school, guys, they will pay 10,000 rupees per month, right? If you do one project like this, you will get 20 to 25,000 rupees. That is per month. Same thing like kind of home tuition only. So many opportunities. What I'm saying is so many opportunities are there. Now just think like that. Once you get the job in the company as a full-time data scientist, how much salary you'll get? Think about the bigger picture. Bigger picture. So like that. I asked my wife to do, but she is not ready to do. No, I will not do any job other than TCS. You will get more practice, 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 practice. Share your screenshots once you're done. I already got that you people are not doing like what I'm expecting. That's why yesterday I stayed till 11:30, 12 o'clock. Because I wanted restricted to make you practice. Okay. I restricted you like a school teacher, tuition teacher. Because I realized you're not doing the practice. And today is confirmed that you're not doing the practice at all. Some days I will see. If you do like this only, I will not give that this much knowledge to you. Definitely. Other trainers are finishing on 3 months. But why I'm taking 5 months? That is 2 months extra. 60 days, 1.5 into 6, 90 hours extra. 90 into 4,000 rupees, 3.5 lakhs rupees I can get. That is for that 90 days extra. But I'm not getting 3.5 lakhs rupees. But if any one student will say that I gain a good knowledge, sir, that is I will be very happy. That is the 10 lakhs worth for me. That is I'm waiting for that. That is I'm getting. Anyhow, I will get. End of the batch, I will get the reviews, definitely. That is I don't have any problem. But how I am getting, that is, if I do like this, insist you only, then only you will practice. And after 1 month, 2 month, 3rd month, then you will be perfect. All students are like this only in starting. 2, 2, 6. First is the 4th one is coming. 2, 6, 44. Insert. The 4. You should write the generalized one actually here. How you are getting 2 here? This 2. 57 line, 2, after 2, how you are getting 2? That you are counting, right? You should avoid that count. You should avoid that count, right, Sabita? List 1 dot index of 2 will give 1. Then 1 plus 1, 2. That we done in the strings concept, same concept. Same thing. So like that you need to do. Always think about that. Avoid the manual effort. Avoid the hard coding. That you need to think. Avoid the hard coding. Suppose here you see here. List 1 is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, again 2 is coming, again 6 is coming. You are doing list 1 dot index of 2. That this is the first index. Save in a variable first index. Fi. Now second index you want. List 1 dot index of 2 you need to find. From where you want to start look? First index plus 1. Then 4 will come. Same thing in strings we have done. And in the above also, if you see here, we counted right here. And the pop 5 we counted. But instead of 5, what we can write? We can write like this. List 1 dot pop of list 1 dot index of p of t, like you like this. Because this is hard coded, right? You counted this. This is you counted. You should avoid this count by you providing the index method. Always look at only 2 things. Reduce the manual effort, reduce the hard codings. Then your code quality will be good. Okay, like that also you need to try. Pop method. Wherever you are counting, that count is now replaced with what? Index method. Wherever. If you are counting something means that is wrong. You need to use the index method. Share your screenshots to my mobile number. Those who are completed. Now next, I forgot one more thing, important thing should explain. Last one, ma. List 1 is equal to suppose ROM is there, robot is there, and Rahim is there. List 2 is equal to their ages are there. Like 25 years, you can say 25. 30 and 35. My output should be like this. Ram age is 25. This is the output. And Robert age is 30. And Rahim age is 35. How can I get this? Try it. So if you use for I in list 1, then print I, Ram, Robert, Rahim is coming, right? Now let's do here. There is a method called, there is a keyword is called zip keyword. What is that, ma? Zip. You know, zip the files? Like that zip is there. Now you see here. Look at the board. For I in list 1 is there. Now what more thing is what? One more variable. J in list 2 is there, like this. Because I from Ram is coming from list 1. 25 is coming from list 2. The same thing we can write like this, ma. For I comma j in zip of list 1 comma list 2. Whenever you have a two list is there, you need to use the zip method and you can retrieve the values. For I comma j in zip of list 1 comma list 2. Now print I comma j. Now I become who? Ram, and j become 25. Robert 30. Rahim 35. Now that is the answer. Zip method. You want to write the zip method. Now how can you write here? That is Ram age is 25 dot format of I comma j. Ram age is 25. Robert age is 30. Rahim age is 55. So zip method will helpful to write the values. Now don't use one more for in for, if like that, don't use that now again, okay? One more for loop, again one more for loop, again one more for loop. Don't use that. There's a zip method is there. Now last question. Try this. 100 is there, comma 200 is there, comma 300 is there. And output, I need to save in output. But this time you need to use list comprehension. Output list. Output list equal to 125, comma 230, comma 335. Add the elements. Add 100, comma 25. Add 100, comma 30. Add 100, comma 30, 300, comma 25. Elements you need to add. Elements you need to add. Same method, but you need to use list comprehension. First write normal way. Next use the appending method way. Next use the list comprehension. Step by step progress yourself. Practice the method, ma. Practice the method bar. Methods you need to remember. Methods make your life is very easy. You need to practice more, then you will get the right method. Some people will talk to me like that, sir, I am not getting the logic. You will not get the logic until you will not get the practice. And some people will say that, sir, I'm practicing, but I'm not getting the logic. Because you are practicing by seeing my output. Don't see my output. Take the question and try to solve yourself. If you still not get, then look at the answer. Yeah, that's it. I comma j for I comma j in zip of list 1 comma list 2. So list is completed, ma. String write-up submitted as soon as possible. String write-ups you'll upload in the LinkedIn, as well as I will share the string assignment also. That is also you need to complete. Don't look at the output. Please practice only the key. First take the question and practice it. Take the question and practice it. Still, if you are not able to get the output, look at my answers or ask your friends or ask to me like that. Because our mindset will go to check the answer only first. Where is the answer? Where is the answer? Where is the answer? I remember in my school days, before 5th class in mathematics, there is no answers. From 6th class textbook, answers are at the back end, no? Then I felt very happy. Yeah, answers are there here. Like that. Because I'm searching for answers. Sometimes we will understand the answer, we will do the solution, right? Sometimes. Again, you write if and else condition. If L1 is greater than L2, L2 greater than L3, like that. That's the two things will come. Now, if lengths are different, how can what is your output and what we executed first? And like this will got no. Then you what you will say that 125, sir, this is not coming, so this could come like that only. Correct? 300 only. Like that it should come. That means wherever the mapping is, whichever is the greater than, and you need to map with the indexes, and whichever the third indexes, you need to append it last. You need to append it last, like that you can get. There is one question is there now. Very beautiful question, ma. Take 5 questions. Take 5 questions in your list 1. If you're not able to get the 5 questions, take 3 questions only. And take 5 answers, corresponding answers. Take corresponding 5 answers in another list. List 2. Now you need to iterate through list 1. Iterate through list 1. So every time iterate once, the question will print. Every time question should print. Question should print. Then you need to pop up what happened. Tell me your answer. There's one more pop-up should come. Like how input of tell about the answer. Tell the answer. If this answer, this output is answer output, right? This answer should match with exact the index of the list 2. Because list 2 has answers are there. That answer will check. That answer will check in list 2. If it is there, if I'm saying if it is there, increase the marks by 1 mark. Marks equal to +1. Marks +1. Otherwise, else no marks, suppose. Else print no marks. Finally, you need to print how many right answers you made. How many right answers you made and how many marks you got. How many answers you got. Simple question, index method will works. Okay, index, based on the index. First question, first answer, same exact index, right? Exact index. So like this, suppose this like this will come. The output solutions will come like this. So list 1 is equal to who is PM of India? Okay. What is the capital of India? What is the capital of India? Like this question. Think like this, the questions are there. Okay. And who is President of India? Who is President of India? Tell me the name. You don't know that. Draupadi, right? Yeah. So get the answers now. List 2 is your answers. List 2 equal to your answer. Is where Modi is there, suppose. And is a Delhi is there. And that too, the guy is a small Delhi also should write. Capital small Modi also is should write. Even though your answer is capital M, by mistake I provided small m. Modi is Modi only, right? So that is also you need to take care of. That means lowering the word. Lowering the word and compare. Lower the word and compare. And Delhi is there. And next one is there. Draupadi Murmu is there. Draupadi Murmu is there. Now next what happened for iterate the list for I in list 1. For I in list 1, you need to print like this. Print question number 1. Question number will come here. Correct? Next, you need to write like this. Answer equal to input of enter the answer. What is the first question? Who is PM of India? What is your answer? Modi. Whether you provide small Modi or capital Modi, you should take. Then what you need to do here? You need to do dot lower. You need to compare that. Now this answer dot index, answer dot lower should index, right? Which index that is equal to Modi? It should be equal this. Answer dot lower equal to list 2 dot index of I. So here you should not take the I, you should take the range of I in range of length of list 1. Then I is equal to what is now 0. This Modi equal to 0. Then Modi equal to Modi. Then you write the if condition here. Then again colon. You take the marks here, empty marks. Marks equal to 0. And correct answers also 0. First. I only given the answer because of your I dot capital. That's why I given the answer. Marks equal to +1 and correct answers equal to also +1. Everything I given. Just improvise your answer. Just improvise your answer. Everything I have given. Correct answer also is equal to +1. Why we are lowering here? Because he writes small Modi. You should not say that that is wrong answer. That is the correct answer, right? That's why we are lowering the answer. Which one you lower? I given the wrong here. You need to identify which one is lower, okay? Wantedly, I provided some wrong also in this. Okay. Do it and share your answer in the screenshot. This is very, very good question. I'll post in another batch also. This is. Okay. Chalo. See you tomorrow. Kumar, back this now. None of drop jalo. You need to show this one, ma. Index, multiple values, everything. And you need to share the screenshot of this question also. And please try to solve this question because I have only given all the answer. 95% answer is there in the board. Okay. Just take a pen and book. If you are a invigilator, how can you do invigilator? How can you conduct the exam? How can you compare? Make that block diagram in your mind and try to write the code. Try to write the code. This kind of question they will ask in interviews. You need to try to solve these things. Okay. Thank you. Thank you so much. See you tomorrow. Signing off. Bye. Surinder, tomorrow first presentation. Okay.